In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add OneDrive to File Explorer. This is a quick setup process, and once it's done, you'll be able to access your OneDrive files directly from File Explorer without needing to open a browser. That makes it much easier to manage your folders, move files around, and keep everything synced in one familiar place. To get started, look down at your taskbar and click the OneDrive icon. Depending on your system, it may appear right away near the clock, or it may be tucked inside the small Hidden Icons menu. The OneDrive icon usually looks like a little cloud. If you don't immediately see it, take a moment to check that hidden area before moving on. Once OneDrive opens, sign in to your account. This step connects your computer to OneDrive, so Windows can link your cloud storage with File Explorer. As you sign in, make sure you're using the correct account you want to use for your files. If your computer is already signed in, OneDrive may move through this step very quickly. If not, just follow the prompts on screen until the sign-in is complete. After your account is connected, the setup normally finishes automatically in the background. This is what allows Windows to create a OneDrive section inside File Explorer. If it takes a few seconds, that's completely normal. Give it a moment to finish syncing and applying the connection. Next, click File Explorer. You can open it from the taskbar if it's pinned there, or by opening any folder on your computer. When File Explorer appears, look over to the left sidebar. You should now see OneDrive listed there. That left sidebar entry is the key sign that OneDrive has been added successfully. From this point on, you can click OneDrive anytime to browse your cloud files just like regular folders on your PC. It gives you a simple way to drag and drop files, organize documents, and keep important items available across devices. If you don't see OneDrive immediately, try closing and reopening File Explorer after the sign-in is complete. In many cases, it appears right away, but sometimes Windows just needs a moment to refresh. And that's it. By clicking the OneDrive icon, signing into your account, and then opening File Explorer, you can quickly add OneDrive to the navigation panel and make your cloud storage much easier to access every day.